You, Thomas, are small, teeny weeny. And now, if you excuse me, I have to leave for the express. Oh, botheration! I'll have to be late again for the express. Hurry up, little Thomas, with my coaches. I don't want to be late. I need to arrive there on time. Without a missing passenger and a missing coach. You need to make sure I have all my coaches by the time it's time to go. Now hurry up, you. I'll show them. I'm never late. Express coming through! I am the grand and great Gordan, ready to pull the express. I don't have time to play silly games with you two tank engines. Express engines don't play games.